honest with you.
Okay. How about we don't have a couples fight in front of all your friends? Walk with me?
None of this is your fault. I will love you forever.
Forever is a very long time, you know.
Not long enough. Why are you doing this?
The eternal question, to which my answer is, why not?
What are you doing? Is that I hate you.
You hate me, huh? That sounds like the beginning of a love story, Stefan, not the end of one.
I did love you. And it was real. Let's see, it was built on trust. What game are you playing?
Why, you want to play with me?
I don't know. How can I play if I don't know the rules?
No rules, Stefan. Don't you remember?